10 cases of bioluminescence used for defense and deception. Number 10. The glowing squirts of the pocket shark. Number 9. The anglerfish's glowing fishing pole. Number 8. The Hawaiian bobtail squid's million army invisibility. Number 7. The red searchlight of the black dragonfish. Number 6. The deadly shine of the bioluminescent octopus. Number 5. The cookie cutter shark's broken camouflage. Number 4. The green bombs of the swimmer worms. Number 3. The squid willing to make sacrifices. Number 2. The milky glow of the hitchhiker bacteria. Number 1. The fire-spitting shrimp.